Morning, children. Welcome to the English class once again. Yes, story time. Okay, it's a very interesting story. Please listen carefully and you are going to enjoy. I'm definitely sure about it. Okay, now, children, have you ever read the stories or you heard the stories in which the little men is involved? Little men means I'm talking about the dwarfs. Have you heard the story of Snow White and the seven dwarfs? Huh? Ah, yes, I know. I know you must be knowing the story. If you don't know, tell your mama to read the story for you, or you can see the story in the Google. The Snow White and the seven dwarf. Now, whenever there is a the such stories are there, na, the main characters are little men. No, they and you will definitely find a small little girl in that story wherein she has some problem and then the little man comes to rescue or give some help to the girl, and that is how the story ends. They are very like the seven dwarf, that is a dwarf means the person of a short height, children. You must have seen some of the movies also related to that. Okay, so and I should not waste much time. I should start off with the story. Let us begin, children. The name of the story is Rumpelstiltskin. What is the name of the story? Rumpelstiltskin. Okay, now let us begin. First, let me tell you the characters who are involved in this story. They are Miller. Miller is a man who runs the mill. Your mama must be sending the wheat for the to grind it into wheat flour to make a chapati. She send it to the flour mill, and the person who is working over there is called as a miller, who works in a mill. Okay, and then Miller's daughter, she's a beautiful daughter. There is a king, the king's men are there, the little men, that is a Rumpelstiltskin, a dwarf man, then a person of short height, and a messenger of a king. Okay, and the story is based on the story by the brothers Grimm. Let us begin. Now, there was a little man, and he had a beautiful daughter. She was a little girl, and the miller had a beautiful daughter. Can you see a man near the sack here? He is the he is the miller, and she is the daughter, miller's daughter. Okay. Yeah. Now see, when I say miller means the miller had his own flour mill. This is a flour mill, children. Okay, and he runs his own flour mill. This is a flour mill. Okay, wherein there are different kinds of machine. Olden days they use this type of chakki atta. You say na? They used to put the grain here, and that is how they used to grind the wheat. Then slowly this came over, and now the flour mill person has such type of mill now wherein they grind the grains. Okay, beta. Okay. Now once what happened? One king was passing by and he happened to meet the miller. He happened to meet the miller. Okay, and he asked about he spoke to the miller about the detail about what the things are going along and this and that, and then the miller also had a talk with the king, and it so happened that when the king asked that what do you do, so then he said that I am a miller, sir. But suddenly, what happened to him? I don't know. He suddenly lied. Now, I am talking about this first picture. This one, the conversation between the king and the miller. And suddenly he lied. He said that my daughter spins straw into gold. You know, children, what is straw? It's a dry yellow color grass which we give as a fodder to the cattle. Okay, cattle means the cow and the buffaloes. They eat now that yellow color straw. You have seen that. I know that. And we have already spoken about the hay. है ना? So he says that listen carefully. He lied. Lied means झूठ बोलना. My daughter spins straw into gold. Really? Said the king. I will test her in the palace tomorrow. He said, you bring the daughter in the palace. I would like to test. And if she can't, then she will be in trouble. Who said this? The king said. The next day, here. This is number 2 picture. Next day, the king showed the girl to a room. Here, there he is pointing out to a room full of straw and a spinning wheel. Can you see a wheel over there, brown color? He said, "Start," said the king. "I will be back in the morning and you spin all the straw into gold. Make it into gold. You know what is gold? Yes. Then after that, the king left. The miller's daughter sat and cried. Okay. Here in this picture, there are 3 pictures, but be careful. I'm talking about this picture. She sat down and she cried. Just then, a little man ran inside. Here's the little man. He came inside. He said, "Why are you crying?" he asked. Then the miller's daughter said, "I can't spin this straw into gold. How can I? How can I do that? How can I do that?" she said. "What will you give me?" Now the little man said, "What will you give me if I help you?" The little girl sobbed and she said, "I'll give my necklace." Here, this is the picture number 4. This is picture number 5. She said, "I'll give you my necklace." The little girl gave the necklace. The little man took the necklace and he started the work. Here it is. Now see, here he is working. He got the necklace. And next morning and whole night he was working. He turned all the yellows, that straw into golden thread. Can you see in the picture? Here it is. See the golden thread, so many. And the straw, can we do that? It's a story, children. It's a story. Okay. The little man took the necklace. He started to work. And by the morning, the reels were full of gold. Yes. Now the king came to see. The king was very pleased. But he was greedy. You know the meaning of greedy? The person who wants more and more and more is called a greedy person. We should never be greedy, children. Okay? He took the girl to a larger room. Then he told her to spin the straw and left. And again, here, he said, "Come on." The bigger room he took. Okay? And he said, "Now come on, sit down." And you again spin all the straw into gold. And he left. Again, the little girl, she started to cry. Here she is crying. And then again, the little man appeared and he promised that I will do it for you. There he is. He is working for the little girl. Okay, sitting and spinning the straw into gold. The little man again came. This time, now see what happened, children. 1 minute. Now what happened this time again when she cried? 1 minute, children. Next day, what happened? When he showed the room to the girl, she again started crying. Okay, 1 minute. Now here it is. Again the little man, he appeared. And now this time he said, "What will you give me?" So she gave her see, there's a ring in her hand. She is giving the ring to the little man. This time he took her ring. Okay, and again he started to work. Okay, now again next morning what happened? The king saw the gold in the morning and his eyes twinkled with greed. Okay, yes, here it is. This time it twinkled with greed. Okay, and he took the girl. He said, now, being greedy in the sense, greedy person. Now he said, "Are Bapri, again she has changed everything into gold." Now, again, he asked for it. He wanted more. So he took the girl to a half full of straw. And again he showed the girl. He said, "Sorry, beta." And he said, "Come on, you again change this into gold. Come on, spin." And then he left away. Yes, again the little man came over there. The little man came, but the girl this time had nothing to give. So he said that He said that you give me your first child when you become a queen, said the man. The poor girls agreed. Agreed means the poor girl said, okay. She said, now I can say yes. Afterward, that man will not come to me again. This is the final time now. The king was very happy now. Okay, a few weeks later, what happened? The next morning, again, when he saw the gold, he was very happy. Huh. Wait, I'll show you the picture. Now this time again when he saw he was very happy, children. Okay, then he proposed that little girl that you please marry me. Okay, and after a week later means after 7 days, after 1 week, she became a queen. Yes, and then after 1 year, a year later means after 1 year, she had a small child. She had a child, and then the little man, as you can see in the picture, as she had a child, the little man returned and he asked for the baby. She said, oh please sir, sobbed the queen. She said, no, I am rich, you can take anything, please, please don't take my child, please don't do that. Then the little man said, if you find out my name, do you know my name? She said, no. He said, you find my name in 3 days. And if you're not able to get my name in 3 days, then I will take your baby. Okay. And then she said, okay. Then she sent a messenger to find out, to go and find out the name of the person. But the messenger could not find the name of the person. Okay. And the next day, that little man came over there. And see, look at him. He was so happy because the queen was not able to tell the name of the little man. And because that messenger had come, the messenger also couldn't find. And then the next day when the little man came, the little man was very happy. Look at his gesture. He said, now I'll take the baby. She is not able to find. He goes away. And he said again, tomorrow I will come. And then you let me know my name. Then say the queen. Then the queen told the messenger again that please this time, please try to go and please find out. Okay. And then that messenger came over there. He went out and he came back. He said that when he came the next day, she sang out the names. Okay. This time, second day when he came, she said, Abbe Bartholomew, Gaspin, do you know? He screamed all wrong, wrong, wrong. And he was very happy. The next day, she tried again and the man shouted, no. That evening, not the messenger came in and said, I heard a little man. Here is the conversation going on between over here. He said, I heard a little man singing his song. Oh, what a shame. Oh, what a shame. Here it is. See here. The messenger is hiding here and this man is dancing, the little man. And what is the little man saying? Oh, what a shame. Oh, what a shame. She doesn't know Rumpelstiltskin's my name. She doesn't know Rumpelstiltskin my name. Okay? And this is how it was reported to. The messenger came and told the queen. Okay, the next morning the queen was very happy. She told the little man, Rumpelstiltskin. Oh my, look at the face of the she spoke that you are Rumpelstiltskin. He got very annoyed, angry. He stamped his feet in anger. And then a deep hole, here it is. He stamped his feet. He stamped his feet and a deep hole appeared under him and he disappeared forever. Who disappeared forever? The little man, because the queen had told the name of the